Hi y'all, this is Melanie from Out of the Wig Closet, and as promised on Instagram, I am going to bring to you today a little review of an awesome little tool that I discovered. And I'm hoping you'll be excited about it, or as excited about it as I am. So, you have your lace fronts and they don't always sit perfectly flat. And when my lace fronts don't sit perfectly flat, it drives me absolutely nuts. Well, this company called Wig Guru came up with a solution to this. And I know there's a lot of products out there that you can use to help you fix a wig to your head so it doesn't go anywhere, but they may require a layer to be put on and then you have to wait before you put the lace on. They may require something special to remove them, so you could possibly damage the lace. This particular product, all you need to remove it is water. And when you apply it, you immediately put your lace front down on it and hold, and that's it. Okay, so it's very unique product. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. This is called the LACESTIK by a company called Wig Guru. And one of the things that makes this product very, very unique is that it has this precise applicator. So unlike some of the other products out there, where you're going to be having to kind of roll over a much larger area than maybe you need, or spray an area that's bigger than you need, this is extremely precise, and you can do it after the wig is on your head. So I just have my Bella Vita on right now, Raquel Watch Bella Vita, and for whatever reason, the lace doesn't lie perfectly flat. And you may not be able to see it from where you are, but I see it. And it's kind of the same thing probably with you too. Once you see something, you can't unsee it. So it's very simple to use this. All you need to do is, there's a little thing at the bottom that you twist. So you're going to twist it until you see one little glob of glue up here. Okay, so one little glob of glue. And she does recommend doing very small areas at a time. Okay, and I'm going to look down because I have a hard time seeing when I look right into the camera. And all you're gonna do is, where your lace is lifting, you're gonna go applicator side down, and you're not gonna put it on the lace, you're gonna put it under it. And you're gonna apply it exactly where you want your lace to stick. Now she recommends, again, doing very small areas at a time. You can see the stick is not huge. So if you have a huge problem with the lace front, like it's all coming up, this is probably not for you. But if you have just a little bit of your lace front that's kind of like popping up and it's driving you nuts, this is perfect. So all I'm doing is I applied it in a small area, and you just press down on it for about a minute. And she says that after about a minute, and I did practice this before I filmed, so after about a minute, you can remove your hand and you can kind of go about your normal activities. It's not going to go anywhere. And it takes about 5 minutes for it to fully dry. So even though you can remove your hand from it after about a minute, I'm gonna go like tugging on it at that point, okay? But it is not gonna go anywhere unless you're really pulling on it after a minute. So it does perfectly dry. It's completely dries in about 5 minutes. And I'm just gonna do a small another area, and that was just one little glob of glue. So twist it up again until you see just one glob of glue, glob of glue. And a little bit more. And you're just gonna go exactly where you want the lace to stick. And then kind of pull it taut. You know, try to pull as close to the ear tabs as possible. So on that, if you did a second area, now you can be pushing down that second area. And oh, one thing I need to mention, very important. When you are doing this, you want to make sure that you don't have any hairs that are trapped underneath the cap. And I kind of checked before I put this on my head, and I have no hair underneath my head, so you'll see in a minute. So I didn't have to worry so much about it. But if you do have hair underneath here, you need to make sure that you use like the end of a little rat tail comb and pull those little hairs out. So it's definitely not lifting anymore. So just a general movement of your hair, just general movement before was going to lift it. But after 5 minutes, it'll be solid, solid. But, you know, it hasn't been about 5 minutes, but you could still take it and just pull a little bit. Remember, this was all lifting before. I don't want to really rip on it because it hasn't fully set yet. But look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is something you can carry around in your bag, in your purse. It's like tiny, and it has this precise applicator, and you just put a little glob on and push down for about a minute, and your lace lies flat. Isn't that amazing? And the best part is all you need to remove it is water, and it's so easy. So to remove it, all you need is a damp cloth. Just have a wet washcloth, and all you're gonna do is simply hold the cloth just like that. Oh, she also mentions, you know, you don't want to put the glue on top of the lace, because when it may be gluing the lace to your head in theory, but the problem with that is that the glue dries and it kind of has a sheen to it. So it's gonna appear like it's a little shiny, and obviously you don't want a shiny lace front. So always apply it underneath. Now you can put the glue on without even the wig on, and then put your wig on, but this is such a precise applicator that I really feel like it's been designed to use after you put on your wig and you realize what area needs to be taken care of right quick. That's all it takes. And what you'll also want to do, and this was telling you, I have no hair underneath. Okay. You're also gonna want to just take that same wet washcloth, nothing but water, and just gently clean where you had the lace contacting your skin. And that is it. That's it. It's done. It's not sticky anymore. It's nothing. It's done. So Wig Guru that makes this lace stick, they are a relatively new company. So they're in the process of getting their website up and running. So there are several ways that you can order this product. And I'm gonna put all of those ways in the description box below. But just real quickly, if you are on Instagram, you can click right on her Wig Guru page and you can order it there. The link is in her bio. Oh, I'm also going to put a link to the Instagram where you can order down below as well if you don't have Instagram. And she also says that you can reach out to her by email. So there's an email address that I'm going to put down below as well, where you can place an order. And then you can order through WhatsApp. And I'll put that phone number down below. She says they'll send you a link. She also told me that if you would like to purchase this amazing product, if you let her know that you saw this video, and if you just tell her my name, Melanie, and you saw this video, that you can actually save 10%. And that's pretty amazing as well. So before you go, if you could please click like on this video. If you watched it, if you enjoyed it, if you are excited about getting this product. And if you could also subscribe to my channel, that would be fantastic as well. I do a lot of wig reviews, and that might be something that would be or could be helpful for you as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.